Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to solve separable equation. So let us try to do this example. So you are asked to solve this differential equation and find a particular solution when y1 is equals to 3. So by using separable equation, okay, so first step is to separate these two variables, y with respect to dy and function x with respect to dx. So for this case, you will have your dy dx is equals to y over x plus 1. So as you can see here, this is very straightforward. You can just bring this dx to the right and also your y here to the left. So therefore you will have 1 over y dy is equals to 1 over x plus 1 dx. Okay, so now we already separate the function y with respect to dy and function x with respect to dx. So the second step is we need to integrate both sides. Okay, so integrate both sides. Okay, for function on your left hand side, you don't have any problem because this is direct integration. So this one here, you will simply get ln y. But your problem is on your right hand side here. You cannot integrate this function directly. You must use technique of integration. So it's either substitution, tabular method, or partial fraction. So for this case, partial fraction will be used, okay, because you have involve a polynomial here. So you can have a partial fraction a over x plus b over x plus 1. You will have 1 over x plus 1 is equals to a over x plus b over x plus 1. Okay, so the next step is we are going to find the value of a and b and substitute back into here, and we are going to integrate this function with respect to dx. So instead of integrate this one, now we just have to integrate this function. Okay, remember when you are applying technique of integration, it must be easier for you to integrate. So if you choose technique of integration but at the end it be so difficult for you to proceed with the integration, so your technique might be wrong. Okay, so proceed with this one. To find the value of a and b, so you will have 1 is equals to a x plus 1 plus bx. Okay, so you have two ways on finding the value of a and b. Either you let x, or you perform two equations and solve simultaneously. Okay, but for this case, since this is a simple one, we are not involved with x squared or so many terms, so we just use let x. Okay, so let x is equals to 0 to find the value of a. So when x is equals to 0, this part will be 0. So substitute 0 into here, so you will have a is equals to 1. So when you let x is equals to -1, so why -1? Because when you substitute -1 into here, -1 plus 1 is equals to 0. So this part is 0. So you can find the value of b. So when you let your x is equals to -1, you will have your b is equals to -1. Substitute the value of a and b back into this one, so you will have, so integrate 1 over x plus 1 dx is equals to integrate 1 over x dx minus integrate 1 over x plus 1 dx. So integrate this one will give you ln x minus ln x plus 1 plus c. So therefore, we will combine the left hand side and also the right hand side so that you will have ln y is equals to ln x minus ln x plus 1 plus c. So remember, you need to add plus c, so it's okay, it's either on your left hand side or your right hand side. Okay, so the next step is we want to make y as a subject, so we need to simplify this expression. So how to simplify this one? How we are going to make y as a subject? We need to get rid of this ln. To get rid of this ln, you need to apply exponential for both sides. So applying exponential for both sides will give you e ln y is equals to e ln x multiplied by e negative ln x plus 1 multiplied by e c. Remember, this is multiply, so we will add the power here so that you will have this one. Okay, but before you can cancel ln e, you have to make sure there is no symbol or any value in front of this ln. Okay, so if you have, let's say for this one you have negative here, so negative need to bring to be the power, so that you will have e ln y is equals to e ln x multiplied by e ln x plus 1 to the power of negative 1. So ec is a constant, so I let it be as another constant a. Okay, so I just let a is equals to ec. So simplify this one will give you, so simplify this one will give you y is equals to x ax over x plus 1. Okay, so I just bring the constant to the front here, and since it's power of negative 1, so it will be over x plus 1. This is general solution. Okay, but the question asks you to find the particular solution when you are given a condition y1 is equals to 3. So what is mean by this one? So basically this one is equals to x is equals to 1, y is equals to 3. So we are going to substitute this condition into this solution y so that you can find the value of a. So therefore you will have 3 is equals to a over 2. Implies that your a is equals to 6. The particular solution will be y is equals to 6x over x plus 1. So okay, that's all. I shall see you in my next video for more discussion. Bye.